are you finding 1 BHK that is under 30,000? Yes, I am here again with the 1 BHK flat that is under 30,000 at Sukhmani Royal. Yes, you heard me right. I am at Sukhmani Royal, and the plus point is that this society is just a kilometer away from Felix Mall. So do contact us on the given numbers on your screen. They are being linking over here. At Sukhmani Royals, we will see you at Gemini Property Office, renting out this property from us, and schedule a visit for this property with us before this weekend. Come on, go and follow the button. Hit the follow button for more property insights, and call us on the given numbers on your screen. They are over here. Just give it a call. You are just call away from your amazing unfurnished home at Sukhmani Royal, that is 28,000.